What if I told you that Kyotaro and Yamada are about to take us back in the chaos of middle school crushes, awkward moments, and more heart-melting drama than ever? But not everything you're hoping for is arriving at the same time. The next chapter of The Dangers in My Heart is on its way and it's bringing both the movie and the promise of season 3, but with a twist in timing that might test your patience. Konnichiwa! It's our senpai. If you love anime as much as I do, make sure to like, subscribe and click that bell so you always watch along with the senpai squad. Let's start with the movie. Mark your calendars for February 13th, 2026, just one day before Valentine's Day. Because that's when theaters in Japan will get a re-edited complication of season 1 and 2, sprinkled with new footage that fans are already speculating could tease what's coming next. Think of it as an ultimate refresher with extra scenes to make you laugh soon and maybe even cry a little. This isn't just nostalgia, it's the studio saying we are keeping the hype alive while we prep the next big thing. Now, hold on, before you start imagining season 3 airing right after the movie, here's where it gets tricky. As of now, season 3 isn't officially confirmed and there's no exact date from the studio yet. Fans are cautiously optimistic, pointing to 2027 as earliest likely time for the next full season. Why so far out? Production cycles, pacing of the manga, and the need for more material all play a role. Rushing it could mean filler episodes or a story that doesn't do justice to Kyotaro and Yamada's development, and nobody wants that. But don't let the wait get you down. There's a bright side. The longer gap could mean sharper animation, tighter storytelling, and a season 3 that hits harder emotionally than anything before. Season 2 already showed how the series balances humor, awkward teen moments, and heartwarming growth. Season 3 has a chance to elevate all of that, delivering the payoff fans have been waiting for, especially when it comes to Kyotaro Yamada dynamic. The movie itself might offer hints of what's to come. Studios love sneaky teases, a subtle glance, a post-credit scene, or even a line of dialogue that hints at conflicts and arcs ahead. So when you sit through it in 2026, keep your eyes peeled. You might catch breadcrumbs leading to the next season. And let's be honest, just seeing your favorite characters animated in new moments is worth the trip to the theater. So here's the summary. The Dangers in My Heart movie hits theaters on February 13, 2026, giving us a perfect bridge between seasons. Season 3 still a hopeful 2027, pending official confirmation. The movie keeps fans engaged, the story alive, and gives us just enough to fuel speculation and excitement for what's next. The big question now is, are you in it for the movie first, enjoying the extra scenes and laughs, or are you patiently waiting for the full season 3 payoff? Either way, the story isn't over and your favorite awkward middle school duo isn't done tugging at your heartstrings. Yeah, that's 10 for today. If you had fun, make sure to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so we can watch more anime together. See you next time.